Let's fix this reboot problem. First of all, turn on your laptop. In my case it is Dell. So now press F2. In your case it can be any key to enter the BIOS. After you have entered the BIOS, click on boot sequence. In boot sequence you will see legacy and UEFI. Click on UEFI. After that you need to click on apply button, then click on save custom changes, then after that click on OK. Then you can change the date and time if you want, otherwise just click on exit. After you have clicked on exit, the laptop will start to reboot, and if it comes up with BitLocker recovery key, just enter the recovery key, and after that it will start to reboot properly. Here, as you can see, I have successfully bring my laptop back to life. Now you can log in and continue your working on your laptop. And if you have any question, then you can ask me in the comments, and subscribe my channel if you want, and also like this video and share it with your friend. Goodbye.